To undo an action or multiple actions, tap the red undo button on your drawing hand and you will go back one step in the history of your project. Tapping on the undo button multiple times will take you back multiple steps. The red undo button is the equivalent of Command-Z or Control-Z in other creative software suites. To quickly go back and forth in your history, you can also use the history clock feature on the non-drawing hand. The history clock is positioned on the non-drawing hand joystick or touchpad. Move the joystick or your finger on a touchpad counterclockwise to go back in history. Move the joystick or your finger on a touchpad clockwise to move forward in history. This is the equivalent of the redo function. It is important to note that object history is different depending on what mode you are in. If you are in object mode, where you are moving objects around and changing their colors and object properties, history will take into account these actions. When in edit mode of an object, history will work with the changes made to the geometry and the movements of the control points, edges, faces, and splines. Once you exit edit mode, history will once again work with object mode.